For Ghana for you see obi a will follow me channel bia no aha say ene ye de ne kre no ebrel asem si a ye de yadwen ebefa ho ne ye hu asem ne mu ne kre asem men endra a lot of people were happy because na video be go viral say Reverend Obofo na sorry na wo Kumasi no eduregu a lot of people report that the Fred more just say the way people were commenting say nyankopon na etia ne ka nyankopon na etia ne ka. So yesterday I reported on Ghana for reaction on that particular video. Ghanaians were happy. Make I say, hey, so sebe bibi say ya tu obi say u de yemfa ne say ne kre na nka bibi say ya tu obi say. Do you even need to be happy? Say na sorry dan edrego. Inti anopa we e na mensa kan video no. Na mensa kan video na anopa we me ye video. I've done the video in the morning and then anopa. And I made the video on my channel so. Na me share video no na me hu say da bi a renovation. Me can say one. Let me say that me can say one. It could be say ne kre, say nyankrofo kan no. But what share video na me hu say da bi a renovation because one. Asori aye kan say adrego no in the video I showed you. Now say nkrofo bi the equipment bi atoto ho a wires ne nyama utumi hu say nkrofo aba site abo mo be ye adwuma. Secondly, the entire mechanical renovation they say ceiling any nyama you see edregu any ndade na edregu no nini na it has been neatly packed at one side. It make us say that be a renovation because a mframa and anka edri asori dan any ndade na egua na kasebi mframa na entumi madade no empake e one side. It obi a wo hwe bia mechanical ade no. I gave 3 reasons. And the third reason I make kind of say, one, idea you see in frama edri ceiling ni bibi egu no glasses are ewa asori dan no windows no bako kra ambo. And in the video I showed you no single window e boy. And I make say say in frama edri obi dan yegu. Nanda adie e pack one side. Nanda in the adie bebrewe ni na no into me ambo glass bako mpo ma glass and pie there. Then it is renovation in Krofubi na said that. And I showed 4 reasons can I make actually. And then the 4th reason, me try na pillars be a raise one chain and I try say those pillars even show say a renovation and expansion a bit to me aba. I showed all of those things in the video. Obi beka and but this thing you are saying is not the truth, it's not the truth. And Reverend Obofo nankasa babon saying abekasa. And he is saying say a renovation. He is saying say a renovation. You got to say my Reverend Obofo kan na moa na moni age say ane Yesu Kristo na ekasa and a Reverend Obofo eku nipa enti Yesu Kristo na ekasa ma no ende mo de mo nsa be hye mo dem ni asemo a me kan no say mo nsusu nsre Reverend Obofo ebia na a renovation. I told you guys that thing. Reasons I me mind na me kan sa asem no. Say mo nsusu nsre Reverend Obofo ebia na a renovation. And the Reverend Obofo Ababonti was here a renovation. You go to Nsema Wodi Tuja. I'm not power ya Sunday. Nsema Wodi Tuja. You go to Imbra.
My attention has been drawn to a certain rumor. I think say Kumasi sorry no a boo is never true. I got official letter. Say me person me renovation. You was saw them mama nim asori fie no. Obi a meti asori them I told them say dan no. Na mpese ye tuba ti enye den ye nwie. Na say enye 10%. Na say so ye build ye nyina so ye na signature. If you know signature. So who dan bi asisi won say we anointed palace dan ni. Nti okotama ye adwuma wa animu achemota dan ka ye designs no ayeye nintino agya animu na to achemota new building ka we are finished now. The assured ni ho no we took that opportunity said then yenye Kumasi so de no and adwuma na back to me akoso a unless yi soro no na work na ba na soro ni timi ni koshia Yes, I need money by different and so quite different. So be our for publish that false information or outside say APC commercial share than Bunemu. Yeah, the blocks. A boka, a bibia, architect engineer so and the what is our seminar and yanokre a false publication. I mean, him the Nipana or publish here no. I think they'll be free better. That's part of the game. Me pacho so what?
Someone as someone me kaya he I told you say me Ghana has say I know how things run in this country when it comes to Ghana news and in some a lot of people in some way that babonte no yenim say Ghana de ye de beto ha nkrofo be giedi na de abeto ho sa keke. People don't go further and see to it say that the video here me hwe doesn't make sense. Because people felt say, oh, Reverend Obofo obi abeka ansem afa ne ho say won nu moja wo yese and then no power asema wo bi ka tell say Reverend Obofo nu moja say ase nipa ko no we hu say Reverend Obofo nu moja. Obi abeka o enu hu nti we believe say yes Reverend Obofo nu moja. Me have told you say obi a wo follow me channel we bi enim say o ka obi hu asembone na wo fa prove ba. For me personally, I have my reservations. I have my reservations. Because minim Ghana for minim semiyete, we've been in this country severally. In Krofwa ko kan sema fan Krofwa ho later yebekom na asem na nya ne kre. We can go as far back as Embra, Evangelist Adai, and Vivian Jill in Sensem Corso, Ghana ni babi, Babon Tebeka say Vivian Jill Crabo Bewu Germany na in some line, our bano eswaye later. Yes, I bebo bani diansan workers and send meanwhile people believed what she said. A lot of things uncle for can found later. Edu the edenya near Babon Tebeka say, oh, say even with Reverend Obofo Nankasa, this year, yeah. A branch be can and a Reverend Obofo will really pay your money, people believed it. A branch and Nankasa Babon Tebeka say assembly nyane kre. Ama ye de branch na kokot and na me no ka say ya china to 1 year e wo sunyane. But still baby an ko bi beka say and sisi ade ye kan say bia for Reverend Obofo ho ama ye fa prove imbra. Vo bia show prove ye de camera si obi so na oka and the Reverend Obofo bo pass ye nkume o na Ghana ye di. And this is an example. It is a perfect example. Inti anopa me ne mo kasa na me hwe video ni na me se dabi se ye ne krepa se eye mframa ana insio na edri asori dan negua se nia indade pillars ewo asori ho no india eyiyiyi no at least anke wo say window glasses ne kra ebi pai na so window glass ba ko kra mpae nti ye ho na be hu se dabi eye nipa nkasa na wo dri ade no eye renovation na ekoso. Ma sorry, we've done some before. Ewa me ma sorry. We were doing renovation into suru no ye. Wo bi be hu a was say sorry no and the eba ne say na edrigu eba say na but we were doing renovation to yankasa we did it smoothly. I told you guys say nyanda ade na ye say inframa na bonda ade na egu no say nanda ade no ni na neatly packed in one area no. It tells me say a renovation na enye mframa bagana for say ya time wo ni ye pese ye believe die wo bi be kan fa wo hu bia sebe in the video no you have your answer but we are blind to it. You see, and why I am speaking this way is say in the long run Ubehun say wo bi to say Avram be Moshe ebenya video yi enya asemo Reverend Obofo akan na we hu commenter nkrofo air pass and it will be against us Christians. Because what her comments say, the nkrofo kan we thank God finally God is speaking finally it is here a Reverend Obofo nankasa enodri ye no so we thank God is speaking ya na say we hu say yentro e na wo de ko hye nyankopon enya ntro na wo de ko hye nyankopon because na wo kan say nyankopon akasa ma nkrofo enti na Reverend Obofo sorry ahya say edri egui nyankopon akasa Sisia we hu ne say eye renovation and na ekoso yi Nyankopon akasa wo ka no enye ntro e na wo kan hye Nyankopon ana Embra na nkrofo ka sansem na I told you guys say hey people talk in this country like they are God Womo kasa te say womo ye Nyankopon they talk like they themselves they are God and they thank you God you've done it hey me say I read the comments for you guys and you guys saw it Ghana obi asema wakatre mo say Ghana we just want the downfall of people I told you guys say mo dear yen fa ne say o dear still Reverend Obafo Mba Bontin be kasaye but based on the video I am watching no me who say a renovation me I see it as a renovation because I've thought into the video and I see it as a renovation that's what I told you guys but ebe to me aba say ebia na the nkrofo kan no and also a possibility I didn't rule that part out but what the fan say e ne krakra say e mframa and e dri Reverend Obafo na sorry dan yego is it something to be happy about I asked you guys that question is it something to be happy about say osofo na sorry dan e driegu wo bi afa echi abeka say osofo na yese wa yese nti no hu be asem ne da and then nipa mu believing no na hu ehi na mu believing no say ani and they say no mu believing in there some time ago just last year most of you hated him most of you were happy say igwe ekobo no embra igwe ekobo no oba bonten ebe kan sem bebre e twantro to igwe so yedi na ye hu say nsem ne ye ntro ba ende san na hu ehi so woni Reverend Obafo enya aseminti wo keka nsem afa Reverend Obafo hu nti you people are believing it and that there you people are believing him meboa ena Reverend Obafo police for hwehwe no ene ye hu no ena wayera ena wayesei enyo no no kasei you see I keep on saying this thing say eya na nkrofo kan ena wo de nsofui na wo support yo mo da bi o nsofo ne ye bone a mebeka obi nim ya ade na enye papa mebeka Reverend Obafo ya ade na enye papa mebeka ene ntre se wo mo ya ade na eye papa I should keep quiet and now essence nkrofo aka say wo mo ye fake prophet me there whether he's fake or not e yo no ne Nyankopon ansem I have told you say me personally I will not go to his church but that doesn't mean I am seeing him as fake or not. I have my own reservations why I will not go to Reverend Obafo's church. I have my own reservations. Woman kasami reason intia men kona sorry. But whether he is fake or not, you know ne Nyankopon ansem. And even if he is fake, na sebe waya ade na eye papa because he is fake nti mayen kan na. Ghanaian mentality. Yakase ni pakuni ye fake nti waya ade na papa krana we are supposed to keep quiet. Oya ade na papa kra we are supposed to keep quiet because the court of public the court of public justice was then say your omo friend no. Say yankasa ye de yetri ebunefo hu no say ade no waye. Nti wo ya ade na ye papa kra na ni kwan say ye kasa e wo say ye kom e wo ho. That's who we are as Ghanaians. And sometimes ade no me ya. Sometimes me ya papa. Now say apreku my daughter na yi ase. Osofo Kennedy ka asembi Kofi TV eko interview no. O ka asembi maneka makoma. Apreku my daughter wu ye. Na nkrofo kan na Reverend Obafo una na wo kasa wa chene dan no Reverend Obafo chene car una wo kasa wa chene car beduko bi se wa chene dan or rent dan ama no wa yese na still hwe bia wo koda yan se wo wu mo boa mo de na yese Osofo Kennedy ka say semi Ghana for yete no e masebe nipa mpeso obeye papa biom Kofi Aduma wa weni ko interview I think the richest man in Bronga half was a bunure one of those way asema papa nso kan no asema wono nso kan na esikafo a wo krom ha sei esikafo a e wo krom ha sei this sort of behavior ebema sebe also wo mu bo nipa kra na wo mu mbo nipa ende se Reverend Obofo ba bonte be kasa sisia adoye we jaaye wo mbo nipa bioma wodika papa because ade a wonyeye ana ade a ensiye ye de ato ne so se ane wa so yidan ye gu Nyankopon na tia oka because we kokum obi wa ye senti Nyankopon tia oka ade onyeye ne ye de to ne so. And then despite media blood donation na every year wo mo ye no wo mo nya biom why na sa blood donation no ho amu na a benefit ni e Ghana for her. It is one of the biggest there Ghana Blood Bank wo mo nya moja despite media obeye na wa ma Ghana for aba wa ma celebrities aba na trese nkofo aba be donate blood ho na enya wo bi events adai obeti na TV so eyeye nyama bi be kan say Kwame despite the ade ni num moja and people believed it. And then what's you want na ade biom you no despite no be bra na da bi ye Ghana for ebia na wo ana say ebia na wo relative bi na moja ho aye den e ho na obe hu say hey adai ade a wo kan ye a Ghana for believing no the effect on that thing no and no nende mi nya ho nso no sa ade no ye njai me wa ha say wo bi beka melodies de wo mpeke ne de Japan asem wo mpeke ne de Japan asem metina me channel we so na wo bi frame free Australia e be tere me say Kennedy Japan eton cocaine na wo nu ni mo ba bia Kennedy Japan di cocaine man. What did I say? Because I said that be me mpeni e ma won kasa asem no provide me proof answer. Even with that one me defending Kennedy Japan, people had problem with me. Say oh you are a coward. Meanwhile when I feel say Kennedy Japan so e de nsem bi e fa nkrofo bi hu a nsem no enye ne krea obon say ye di matem ti say Kennedy Japan nankasa e fa nsem obi nim nsem a wo kan say obi nim e tre wo TV so say na ye de nkola e rituals. That wasn't what obi nim was doing. But you see Kennedy Japan himself did it to obi nim a what they say obi nim din. I came out and spoke against Kennedy Japan. Obi nim so ayebi e de ye nkrofo me ba bonten be kasa against obi nim. It's simple. Obibeka say na wo kasama. Yes, because I have seen the truth. I saw it. And on kasa ba confirm it. Ah, that bio. Hwe. Uwo bia. Woye me that's why I'm telling people me I did computer science. Me a degree. I have a degree in computer science. Monsieur sa forensic in Yamane that one just on my own. Monsieur kakra computer security ni sans sensem no it will be the video bar wo shout to me who say ah dabi video no senior nkofo airtre no enye sa he mama ka asem ntre mo video bi go viral sometime e wo Ghana na sa time NDC na wo so wo bi ko twa dollars bebre e wo dan mu and pa ko ne kasa wo echi say ane e opuni a wo hwe kokobot so in Cancer Lewin, so time na in Cancer Lewin, news, Adum TV. Don't think far news. In Cancer Lewin, that video, no, the two don't think far news. Kasaye, etia opuni, because he also believes that ne crack. Yeah, the video, the man, I'm share video, and I say no, this video is fake. Will be a shade use screen recorder, and I watch that bo wupuni din what they say wupuni din, what person they say wupuni din. When I said that. And Crawford can and I also support NDC, also support it. I told them said the video is fake. 2015 and Cancer Lewin yes I video no and the platform bia wo benye bia wo pa wo punicho because ye the nako court ama wo no Cancer Lewin ne hu say say video no kra enye ne kre na mako say papa ni din ama and the in Cancer Lewin platform bia wo benye bia wo pa wo punicho as to whether Dr. Wopuni betie na we twi asem no every court no and also a different matter but asem no eguso our court plan Cancer Lewin na ka say hu say say ade ne kra na enye ne kre. I keep on telling you guys I was analyzing that video Reverend Obofo video ni na me ka say dabi video we say me ankrofo pese ye tie ase no enye san nete because equipment edit that form ho obi say ya connect wire edit that form ho it shows nkrofo ba site wo mo be ye adwuma in that dia no ya park one side neat who person tell me say inframa na dream that dia we gu ye na inframa na parking that dia ni gu one side neat ana ade say inframa adregu glasses window glasses e wo ho glasses na ba ko kram pai ba ko ambo and then there is a pillar in just we who say they've provided room for renovation na pillars no sisi wo na me who say that be way a renovation and then it has come out say the credit na make no sir. But I will keep on saying this, and I know say still some Ghanaians still and then I can't say what wait here or China who come who be video peno one year so obedwen ho obefa ne strasa wokoti say yes so obi din peno one year so obedwen ho obefa ne trasa because that is who we are as people. Yet say yes say obi din pe ne ya fa say eno ane ne kre no ye nya say ye nhwehwemu atwenye hu say da bia ntwa to so won try mo adwen comment box ni mo ate